Hello there everyone, and thank you so much for watching. So I get so many questions about cupping, like what is it, how does it work, and what are the benefits? So if you are curious about cupping, then this is the video for you. So before we get started talking about what it does and what the benefits are, I'm going to do a little demonstration on Christy here. And I just want to let you guys know that this is not a tutorial, so this is not something that you can watch and do it at home. So don't try this at home. Cupping should only be done by licensed practitioners. It is something that that I learned in acupuncture school. And cupping originally comes from Chinese medicine, traditional Chinese medicine. Other Asian cultures do use cupping as well, but I'm going to be doing the cupping from traditional Chinese medicine today with the glass cups called fire cupping. So first of all, how it works is we have this, this pretty thick glass cup, and the goal is to suck the oxygen out of the cup so that when we put it on the skin gets sucked up instead. So it's, you could think of it kind of like a reverse massage. So, so what we're going to do is I'm going to take just a cotton ball with a little bit of alcohol on it, and so when I put the cotton ball in the cup like this, it's going to suck the oxygen out so that when I put it on the skin, it sucks it up. So we're going to do that right now, and there's different kinds of cupping. The cupping I'm doing here today is called sliding cupping, so I've already put oil on Christy's back. You can also do cupping just by simply placing the cups on the area and leaving it for a while. So we're going to do the sliding cupping today, so you guys can take a look at what this looks like and see that it's not scary, even though fire is involved. Okay. This one. So you can see she's not screaming already, so it's okay. You okay, Christy?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, so what is it good for? So cupping is really, we use it a lot for any sort of pain in the back. So I'm doing her whole back today. So any pain in the shoulders up here, on the shoulder blades, the upper back, mid back, or lower back. And so today I'm sliding the cups back and forth, which will bring, we say, qi and blood to the area. So what this is going to do, it's going to improve circulation in the area, so bringing red and white blood cells so that it can heal, right? So if you have trauma to the area, a chronic injury, or an acute injury, or just chronic pain from, you know, working on the computer, or you know, or a weak low back, anything like that, cupping can be really good for. It's also great for if you have any pain in the hip area or leg area, as it works for sciatica as well. So one of the main things we use cupping for is pain. And so when the cups are on here, they can be really tight or less tight, not so much. So I'm able to sort of adjust that to the patient or client's comfort level. And this is comfortable, this isn't too much? Okay. So I just slide that back and forth like this. You can do it several times. And we get something called sha that comes up. That's kind of like a red-purple color. And that just means that some areas there might be more than others, and that just means there's more stagnation in the area, or stuck energy, or stuck qi, we like to call it. So it works not only for pain, but also for upper respiratory conditions. So if you have a cough, again, acute or chronic, if you have bronchitis or pneumonia, it works great. Asthma, actually, it's really good for people who have asthma, and also for kids. I had a 5-year-old cousin. When she was 5, she was having an asthma attack, and so I did some cupping on her. You know, she had the asthma attack, and she was, you know, on the couch and just kind of curled up. I did some cups on her upper back, real quick, maybe 5 minutes. Took the cups off, and she got up and was running around like a normal 5-year-old. So it's great for that as well. And of course, you don't want to do cupping if you have any sort of open wounds or sores. That is a contraindication. And you can find someone who does cupping just by looking up your local acupuncturist or Chinese medical practitioner. Of course, if you're in the Honolulu area, you can always come see me. But if not, it's really easy to find someone who does cupping. Now, the other thing with cupping is that it can leave marks on the back. You've probably seen it, maybe some of the celebrities, they get cupping. It can leave kind of like hickey looking marks, like an octopus hickey, and they can be really dark or really light, just depending on what someone has going on. But those typically last for no more than a week, sometimes just a day or two. Cupping can also be used for detox, so if you're trying to detox, whether it be from smoking or drugs or alcohol or just a general detox, it's great for getting those toxins out of your body and also for moving the lactic acid buildup a bit quicker. So if you have like an injury from, or if you've overworked your body, you know, you have a workout that you've done a really hard workout. So those are the basics of cupping. Right now I'm just continuing to slide the cupping, and then you know, we can just leave them in certain areas and let it do the work. And she already has some dark marks over here. People typically do on their shoulder blades, the scapula. We hold a lot of tension there. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to leave a comment below and just tell me one thing you learned in this video today about cupping. And then also, if you'd like to continue to get updates, you can with our bi-monthly newsletter. You just sign in with your email and name in the box below this post and let us know if you'd like to get those updates. So thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Aloha.